Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? How's your weekend? How's your week? How's your week begun? Yo, last week for us was crazy. We made a lot of profits. This week also started out great. We took our first two trades and we're already in deep blues, secured half the bag in one and the others floating in deep blues. So I hope you're having a great trading day too. So in this video, what we're going to be talking about some currency pairs, obviously some commodities indices like the DXY right now that's on the screen, NAS100, US30, and about Volatility 75, our all-time favorite. Without further ado, if that sounds interesting to you, stay with us until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever we release content. Let's dive right into that. Okay, so this is the DXY, obviously the US dollar index. Starting off with it from starting with it from right here, it was the dollar, excuse me, it was the all-time high. It reached an all-time high here, from about, you can check at it from the monthly perspective. This was the all-time high that wasn't tested since March 2020, right around the corona pandemic, and prices just reached that and it has broken it and it's pushing higher today. That's crazy. So the US dollar, I was expecting to see a rejection of the point to keep on going higher. That's why I was waiting for a sell confirmation, but I didn't take any sells, obviously, because it didn't react the way I anticipated it to, and now prices are pushing higher. So what can we do? We're just going to watch it, anticipating to see prices keep on pushing higher because they're still creating higher highs. Expecting to see prices, because we don't have an all-time high or a resistance to actually measure it to, we are using a Fibonacci extension. So I expect to see prices reach here at around 1, first targets, and at around 1.618 final targets. So the way I'm anticipating to see prices play out in this is a continuation here, excuse me, and then a retest to around 0.618 around here, and then final targets at around 1 right there. And then due to the momentum, we'll be studying the charts and seeing how we'll anticipate prices to play out from here, if it will be bearish or continuation in the bullish side. But as of now, this is what I'm anticipating in the US dollar index. So one of the trades that we took was actually this trade right here. You can see it's floating in deep blues. It was a quick intraday trade, obviously, as you can see. I'm right now floating at around 36 pips. So almost half the trade. So I'll be securing the bag once it reaches about here, half the trade. So USDJPY, USDCHF, this is USDCHF. USDJPY here, we haven't taken any trade today, neither did we. Last week we took a trade. Our targets were down here. We got stopped at our adjusted stop loss, but we already secured about 6% of the trade. Right now, prices are in a consolidation range, as you can see it. Prices right now in a consolidation range. Obviously, you have to take this into consideration. So you see they're creating a high, low, high, low. So they're in a range in motion. So either way, I'm anticipating to see prices keep on pushing lower. So I'll be expecting to take sells after prices break this most recent low. But as of now, prices are in a ranging channel. Euro USD, woof, prices are pushing lower as crazy. It's insane, right? So you can see prices are pushing lower, very, very low, crazy. And it's on a monthly support zone. It's on a monthly support zone. You can see here. So I actually asked you guys, what do you think prices will do? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think prices will do? Do you think prices will keep on pushing lower, or they'll bounce off and, respect A? Let me know in the comments below. But as of now, as we speak, prices are having this crazy bearish momentum. It's insane. So let me know what you think prices will do next in the comments below, and then we'll see how that goes. That's more accurate. Right. So this is Eurusd. You can see prices are creating lower lows and lower lows as prices, on the US dollar keep on pushing higher. Okay, so this is Chfjpy, another trade we took today. It's floating in some blues, it's floating in some blues. Let's see how it keeps on playing out. I did send this analysis in the free Telegram group, by the way. So if you're not in it, you're missing out. The link is in the description below. I sent this during the weekend. It's breakdown, anticipating to see prices push lower, and that's exactly what they did. So let's see how it keeps on playing out. The link is in the description below. If you're not in it, you're missing out. You're missing out. Okay, Gbp USD prices are pushing lower right now here. They're on a strong support zone. So, like watching it to see how prices will play out. I'm not going to react on it because it's still on a support zone. It's in a zone right now, so I'm not going to react to it. But watching it closely and seeing how it will play out. NAS100, it's in a ending diagonal pattern. My bias is I'm anticipating to see prices, maybe give us a second bounce here before they actually, break above, because an ending diagonal is a reversal pattern. So long-term bullish biased, but right now I see prices are still dancing in between here. We have gold. You can see now prices are pushing lower. My general bias was bullish when I analyzed this during the weekend. I was expecting to see the US dollar keep on falling so that this will be bullish, but then the US dollar is falling. So the US dollar is bullish, so gold is falling. Let's see how it play out. But my general bias is still bullish biased, obviously, because the US dollar move isn't that strong. It's not long-term, right? It's not long-term. So my general bias is still bullish. I'll be taking my bias after prices break above this descending trend line. If not, prices break below here, then we'll be looking for selling opportunities. That's gold. US30, prices have bounced off here, 0.618, but right now currently in a strong bearish momentum. I'll be watching to see how prices play out here in this zone here. If they bounce off, then I'll be getting my bulls. I'll be buying until all the way up there. If they break below here, then I'll be selling, because then the structure will have been broken, right? Although my general bias is bullish because prices have bounced off this 0.618 Fibonacci key level, and it closed on Friday with a strong bullish, confirmation, and it hasn't been anchored yet. So let's see how it plays out. Let's see how the New York will enter with the momentum and see how it plays out. Cool. Gbpjpy. Oof. JPY is dumping. JPY is insane. JPY is gaining strength. So right now prices are pushing lower. Let's see how it plays out, man. Let's see how it plays out. It just broke here and retested it. But with this momentum, if you take a trade now, you'll be just jumping the gun, because you'll have to place over a 200 pip stop loss. That's fucking insane. So don't do that. Maybe if you wait for prices to break below this trend line, then you can actually take your shot after the retest to sell until here. Gbpjpy, so that will give you about 460 more pips. So you can be patient with it. Be sure to subscribe because of the content. I'm just joking. Anyways, this is Gbpjpy. You can see I'll be looking for, so here I'll be looking for sell opportunities once prices break below here. I'll be looking for sell opportunities. Okay, cool. Let's jump into our all-time favorite, Volatility 75. You already know what's up. You see prices broke below this double top. This was the neckline. Prices came with the retest. Lack of momentum. You can see all that lack of momentum, bleeding, lack of momentum. So here, it's obvious that prices will be dumping. So my bias is that you can go and look for selling opportunities right about now. So that's Volatility 75, guys. Till next time, guys. If this video has been of help to you, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I release content. Till next time, guys. Peace and love.